I am back again with my cho. Have you ever been caught up in a situation where you have to choose between sweet vengeance and forgiveness? I mean, sweet vengeance. One that walks up to you and says, "Do with me as you please, I'm all yours." I had this colleague at work who I got acquainted to. We made such a good team, and in our free time, we would grab lunch together, share stories, funny moments, and so on. We bonded so well until one time he needed some money for his business. He had a side hustle and it was a challenging period for him, so he asked me for my help. I also had a side hustle, so it was kind of convenient to help. I lent him about 150,000 naira and he promised to pay back in installments within the next 2 months. 2 months passed and this guy locked up as if we didn't have an initial arrangement. He didn't even say a word about the money. I also didn't ask him for my money because I like to give people as much grace as I can. Another 2 months passed and nigga still didn't say a word. And I was just observing like what is going on. Only for me to find out from another colleague of mine that he just bought a new phone. I finally asked him for my money and he told me he hasn't forgotten that he would give me as soon as possible. I asked him to be specific and he said I should give him 2 weeks, that he was trying to figure something out. So I said to him, please don't figure something out. Just try to pay up in 2 weeks like you said, because I have been patient enough. And I won't even lie, my approach was kind of cold. Next thing, this guy flared up. He said to me, is it because I'm owing you that you're talking to me like this? Blah, 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 blah. On a normal day, I'm not on your level. Is it because we work in the same office? Blah, blah, blah. He was just talking. And then he walked out. He told me, don't worry, I'll pay you back, blah, blah, blah. He walked out. I was too dumbfounded to say a word. I just stood there speechless, looking like a fool. In my head, I'm like, what is going on? Like, what just happened? After that day, he started to avoid me. I was still shamelessly trying to keep in touch because I wanted my money back at all costs. But he avoided me. He stopped talking to me, stopped taking my calls, and even stopped responding to my messages. Wait a minute. Take a look at this meal. Oh my goodness. Pepper soup, cow skin pepper soup, and rice. Banks. Thank you for watching. I'll continue my story in my next video. Until next time, bye. Do not forget to subscribe.